Hey Mackenzie, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Newman Roofing Company. If you type in Roofing Columbus OH, these guys show up first. I'm going to show you exactly how you can copy them and then beat them. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. I just found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet and bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. And most people just take this information and do it themselves, which is awesome. Some people say, Devin, I like you. I don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. I'm here just to educate you and help you make a lot of money. My 3 tips are this: content, backlinks, and citations. First off though, whoever designed your website is a professional. It is a beautiful looking website. I love how strong your font choice was. You've got links throughout the website. Really nice, clean, just simplistic look, good images of, the skylines and stuff like that. From a design point of view, you guys did a great job. What Google cares about when it comes to ranking your website typically is content, which is all the stuff you can read. And the average page on the front page of Google typically has 1,500 words of content. If I copy all of your content on this page and I paste it into this word counter, you can see you have 340. If we go to Newman's Roofing, we can see that these guys have 947. So it's one of the reasons I outrank you on that Columbus page. But when you get it up to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water, but also it's going to give you more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is just a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I actually pulled up a list for you here. Typically, you've got to pay to use this tool, but just feel free to pause this video so you don't have to worry about buying an account. You could just take it straight from this video. These are what people are searching into Google for you right now. So for example, Roofing Columbus, 600 people search that every month. Roofing Columbus OH, that's another 500 people. Roofing Columbus, Ohio, that's another 450 people. So if you were number 1 for those 3 keywords, you would be number 1 in front of 1,550 people every month in Columbus who wanted to purchase roofing. How crazy would that be, right? So you want to make sure that you put those kind of keywords inside of your content. And if I see on this Roofing Columbus page, you don't have Roofing Columbus OH anywhere here. Roofing Columbus, you don't have it on here. You don't have any of these keywords anywhere on this page. So this is one of the reasons why you're not ranking. So you want to make sure you put those keywords inside of your page. You can also save your images as keywords too. So instead of Oaks logo white, this could be Roofing Companies Columbus OH. And same with this one here. This could be, instead of Columbus House, it could be Roofers Columbus, Ohio. Just hit direct keywords that people are already searching. So that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to have a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this tool either. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this information for free. It says you have 79 websites linking to you while Newman Roofing has 175 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would just copy them because if these 175 websites are good enough to rank Newman, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one the same way they did to each website and put a link on each website back to my own page. And a lot of times it's really simple, like, Angie, Yellow Pages, Local Yahoo, Super Pages. On all these websites, you go here and you either join, sign up, new listing, claim existing listing, or join. You create a free profile and then put a link in that free profile back to your home page. And a lot, like I said, it's really simple. It just takes some time. But if you beat them with content and you beat them with backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here and start getting all the free business that comes with being there. My last tip is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be here, you need to have more citations than your competitor. You'll notice that there's a different number 1 person. It's Ramos instead of Newman. If you want to be number 1, or a citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information like Yelp and Yext and Yellow Pages and stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Ramos Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch. If Ramos Roofing was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Mackenzie. I hope you found this informative and helpful. My goal was to keep this as short and to the point as possible. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on this page with keywords inside of that content. Then you want to get the websites linking to Newman Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Ramos Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google and start getting all the free business that comes with being there. Now you're probably wondering, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. If you decide to go this route, just remember your competitors are doing this right now, so the less time you wait, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. But it was great speaking to you earlier, Mackenzie. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you later.